So what if you want to terminate, cancel a listing? There are two forms, one called cancellation form. So the cancellation form, once it's signed and submitted, no other agent can list the property for 60 days. It protects the agent and it locks in for 60 days. Nobody can list the property again. Nobody can sell the property again within 60 days. If you sign another form called Unconditional Release form, then the listing agent has no more relationship with the client. Okay, so same thing, go to File, go to Add Form, and then we search here, Cancel. So you'll see here there's a listing cancellation, but we have to look for the Vancouver version. Okay, so Vancouver version or the real estate board version. Okay, cancellation of multiple listing, Greater Vancouver version. Click OK. Same thing, put the listing number here. And then signed on which day? The listing date. Okay, the listing date is the date here. We can duplicate this tab. Also for different tasks, we can duplicate it. This way we can switch back and forth. It's easier. So now we open the multiple listing contract. The listing date they're talking about is this date here. Listing date. So May 17th, then we put here May 17th. Okay. And then owners, the seller sign here, and then they date whatever they signed. Okay, they sign, they date it. And then the designate agent has to also sign here on this section. Leave the manager's approval empty and email to listing department. They will handle the rest. So after this form is signed, you see here, it says 60 days from the date of signing year 2, which is sooner. So it'll be protected for 60 days. So you can read this section, detail of this section later on. Now we go to the unconditional release. Click on new, search uncondition, and then you'll see a form here, Greater Vancouver version. Click that, click OK. Listing number. This is a listing brokerage number. This is what we have for the listing brokerage, but you have to change it to the Vancouver number. So let me see, Vancouver. Okay, so the Vancouver number is 5197, which is great because Richmond has a different number. So seller's name, seller's signature, and then the effective date. When are you going to terminate this agreement? We can choose any day that's agreed with the owner. And then the agent has to sign here. The managing broker sign here. Agent doesn't have to sign on this one. So there's no line for agent to sign. Just the managing broker sign here and they print their name here.